Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore the historic journey of a solar probe, propelled toward the Sun by Venus for the final time. NASA's Parker Solar Probe is set to complete its seventh and final Venus gravity assist maneuver that will send it back towards the Sun. The probe will pass within 375 kilometers of Venus's surface in doing so. At this time, the probe will fly around Venus, using the gravitational force exerted by the planet on the spacecraft to push it towards the Sun. After reaching its desired destination, the spacecraft will be 6.12 million kilometers away from the solar surface on December 20th, 2024. This will be the closest that any man-made object has ever got to the surface of the Sun. The probe will fly through plumes of plasma spewing out of the Sun at a record 692,000 kilometers per hour. This is the ultimate objective the Parker probe hopes to achieve. The Parker Solar Probe has been to the Sun in the past few years, gathering valuable data. In 2021, it peered nasty into the solar environment following the release of solar flares. It flew through a coronal mass ejection and captured the extreme environment on video. It did the same in September 2022 again, giving researchers an opportunity to understand how the Sun's plasma interacts with the interplanetary dust around it. However, the gravity assist will not only launch it towards a trip to the Sun, but also let it peer into Venus once again. It will be a chance to learn about the ring of dust around the planet and the mysterious radio signals from its atmosphere. The Wide Field Imager for Parker Solar Probe, or WISPR, has proved to be a crucial instrument in learning more about our twin. Normally, it looks outwards and at the fine details in the solar wind. But on July 11th, 2020, during Parker's third Venus flyby, WISPR gazed into the planet's thick cloud cover and sent back surprising images. It was able to cut through the clouds and look deep into the Venusian surface below. The probe captured infrared emissions from the planet's surface, which literally glows because of the extreme heat. Venus sizzles at a temperature of approximately 465 degrees Celsius. The WISPR cameras can see through the clouds to the surface of Venus, which glows in the near-infrared because it's so hot, said Noam Eisenberg, a space scientist at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, in a NASA release. Now, with the last flyby, scientists are hoping to answer a few more questions about Venus. Because it flies over a number of similar and different landforms than the previous Venus flybys, the November 6 flyby will give us more context to evaluate whether WISPR can help us distinguish physical or even chemical properties of Venus's surface, said Noam. The Parker probe's closest approach to the Sun will occur on December 2024, but scientists won't know whether or not it was a success, since it will be out of touch with mission control. The results will be revealed only on December 27th, when it notifies mission control through a beacon. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.